Today, you will learn how to enable hyperlinks in Word document, so web addresses and email addresses automatically become clickable links as you type. First, click File, then Options. On the left, select Proofing, then click Autocorrect Options. In the Autocorrect window, open the Auto Format as you Type tab. Under Replace as you type, check the option Internet and Network Paths with Hyperlinks. Then click OK and click OK again. That's it. From now on, whenever you type or paste a website address or email address and press Space or Enter, Word will automatically turn it into a clickable hyperlink. If you want to create a hyperlink manually, select the text, press Ctrl-K, enter the website address, and click OK. Your hyperlink is now ready to use. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe.